welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Marcin or Jonathan here. Please do subscribe to this channel to see more videos from us and to also see our upcoming videos. On this channel, we talk about food, we talk about lifestyle, and we do a little bit of vlogging. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I made this amazing corned beef roll. If you are interested in seeing this, let's get started. So guys, this is all-purpose flour with a little bit of baking powder.
I can't think.
And I'm going to add just little sugar, very little sugar. I'm supposed to add salt, but I have a lot of salt in the corned beef, so I'm not going to be adding salt. I will also be adding butter at this point. I'm not going to measure. I'm just going to take as much as I need, depending on the quantity you are using. I will also be adding 1 egg.
What am I supposed to do?
So I'm going to use my hands to mix. It's not possible to use wooden spoon because this is just like meat pie type. I'm going to keep mixing till everything comes together.
I can't think.
I will also be adding vanilla sugar,
What am I supposed to
a little bit of warm water, you have to be very careful when you are adding warm water.
What am I supposed to do? I can't.
I will add a little bit more.
What am I supposed to do?
Then you mix till it sticks to your hand no more. When you get to a point that it doesn't stick anymore. So we are almost at that point.
I can't think.
So that's it, guys. So I'm going to
What am I supposed to
cover it for some time. I'm going to leave it for some minutes, like 45 minutes to 50 minutes.
I can't.
While waiting for the time, I'm going to add a little bit of spice to the corned beef.
What am I supposed to do?
This is optional. I just like it. I will be adding a little bit of time.
I can't think.
And this is ready. I'm going to keep it aside. No salt, please, because it's very salty. I don't think there is any need for any stock cube. So guys, this is after 2 hours.
What am I supposed to do?
I left it for 2 hours because I was busy doing something else. And I'm going to be rolling it. You can see it has stopped sticking. It doesn't stick to the hand until it gets to this point. It will still be sticking. So I'm just going to try my best to flatten everything.
I can't think. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? I can't. What am I supposed to do? I can't think. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? I can't. What am I supposed to do?
Do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Please like and share. You can swear leave comment below.
I can't think. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? I can't.
After 20 minutes, and I'm going to be putting it in the oven, heat oven with 180 grams. Now we'll be checking on it. I believe it's going to stay for like 40 to 45 minutes.
I can't think. What am I supposed to What am I supposed to do? Yeah. I can't. What am I supposed to do? I can't think. What am I supposed to
So guys, this video is coming to an end. If you watched it this time, I would like to say thank you for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.